How to make a Facebook post shareable. So there's two ways to do this. One, if you're making a current post, and you can also edit the privacy of a post that you already made. So go to Facebook, and let's say we want to type something in here, and I'm just going to type in hello. And to make this shareable, you basically want to make your post public. So as where it says public, these are your live privacy settings. So make sure that you're not on any of these other sections except public, and that way when you share the post it can be shareable. What you can do is go back, and we're going to discard this post and go to your profile, and you can edit the privacy there as well. So what we can do here is I just have a post here. So any post that's on your page, go to the three dots at the far right hand side, and then you want to go down to where it says edit privacy, and then you're going to be brought to the same page where you get to choose your audience. So most people will have it on friends or specific friends, but what you want to do is just have it on public and save it, and that way your posts are public and they can now be shared.